So how do you go down?
Yeah, that's it. Same.
I think the best way down is backwards.
Backward?
Not
Yeah.
from backwards. Then it's easier to walk.
Let's me try.
You are free.
Nasa tuktok kami ng windmills. Sa third floor. Third floor.
That's what I think is easy.
So, you know,
It's not science.
Tignan mo yung
Yeah.
ano, yung
No? Dapat pala akin yung hikaw niya eh. Tignan mo yung pan. Yung kwintas ko. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko dapat akin yung hikaw niya. Kasi yung kwintas ko, pareho.
may ano. Bigay lang to eh.
You can see on the sides. You can see how they grab each other. It's simple procedure.
Mga anak ko, ang tagal nila bago bumaba. Gusto nila dito sa tuktok.